How to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. Let's get started. Launch your Alibaba app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. First up, you can head towards any of the item that you want to purchase. Select the items and add those items to the cart. Once you're done with selecting the items, you can head towards the cart section, or you can directly click on the option of Start Order. With that, you will be directed to this page where you have to add a shipping address. Then you will see this section of payment method. Click on that. Now from here you can easily add or remove your debit or credit card. If you want to add it, you have to click on the option of Add a new card, then provide the details. You can type in your card number, give a name, surname, expiration date and CVV. If you want to save this card info, check in for the option of Remember this card and click on Confirm. Likewise, in order to remove your card, what you have to do is come to this page and remove all the details and click on Confirm. So this way you can easily add or remove debit or credit card from your Alibaba account. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.